Just got these amazing products from Miranda Kerr. I'm so excited to try this body oil, this face oil. Also, if anyone really knows me, they know I'm obsessed with scrubbing mitts and I'm always looking for the best ones. So thank you, Zena Foster, for sending me your mitt. Thank you, Naz, for sending me the cutest bathing suits. Cannot wait to wear this one. Are you a fluffy hedgehog?